Musicians here. How cool is this? Thank you all for being here. Thanks a lot. And it's nice to see you all. It's nice to see everyone watching us right now. Of course, we can't see you, but you can see us at 93xrt.com. My name is Marty Leonards. We've been looking forward to this performance for a while now because it's so great when these guys are in town. They come here every January. Why, I don't know, but they do. From Florida, they come here to play the Chicago Theater, and starting tomorrow will be the second weekend of a two-weekend stand, a four-night stand here in the city of Chicago, the Chicago Theater. We're so happy. And it's so great, you know, that this, well, it's not even a musical marriage. It's an actual holy matrimony, right? But these guys came together, and it's really great because then they brought their bands together, and that pretty much completed the nuptials, and this is one big happy family. It's Tedeschi Trucks Band. Let's hear it.
Yeah!
You know, I never say this, but the performance of that song just makes me say, Lord have mercy, that was just terrific. Way to go. High and Mighty, the song, Tedeschi Trucks Band, everybody.
Yeah!
And thank you so much for being here. Thanks for squeezing everybody onto this stage, man. It's really great. I was given a map of the members, and this is like how it works out. Wow, that's a lot of people when you need a map. Welcome back to Chicago. Man, it's great to have you here. Yeah. So, this is the 4th year in a row that you guys have played here at the Chicago Theater, and January is really the only reason to be in Chicago during this month. And you make that possible by coming from Florida. What is your agent thinking? How does this happen that you come here this time of the year?
The first time we came through was just, you could tell people appreciated it, getting out of the cold. They gave it back to us.
Thank you.
Yeah, right?
I like to see snow.
Yeah. Well, it's great that you're doing this. I went to the show on Friday night, and you know, typically just blown away by the performance, by the musicianship in this band. It's just really incredible that you brought this many people together to you know, to do what you guys do. And what always blows me away at your shows are the covers. How you play so many great songs that were done by other people. How do you curate those? Like, how does that all happen?
There's a lot of late night bus DJ sessions, and they turn into, you know, you hear things and you imagine the band playing it, and sometimes it's a message that you want to get out, and sometimes it's just a groove that you want to play, but and we're all fans of music first, you know, so it's nice having a band where you can play anything you hear.
Yeah. The one that really knocks me out is when you do John Prine's Angel from Montgomery, and then in the middle of the song you just sort of break down into Sugaree. And it's seamless. Yes. You just do that chord change, and the audience just goes nuts when you hit the Grateful Dead chords. That's a lot of fun. How did you guys put that one together?
Well, that's one I've been doing for a long time, and Derek and I both played with different configurations of the Dead. You know, I played with the Dead, and Derek played with Phil and Friends, so I just thought, you know, people really enjoy throwing that in there.
Let's hear it.
Yeah. Well, you know, what's also great is that you just don't do covers. You do your own music as well, and you have a new album that's coming out real soon, an album called Signs. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, we're really excited about it. You know, we've been working on it for, I don't even know how long, like a year and a half, probably. And a lot of really great songs. Mike has written a lot of amazing, beautiful songs for this record. People are going to be really excited hearing them. You'll hear one of them tonight for sure. Because, you know, him and Derek and I wrote a lot of the songs, and everybody, you know, works together, and you know, a lot of current event kind of topics, but also a lot of beautiful love songs and stuff too. So it's a nice mix.
Improvisation is such a big thing of what you guys do live. When you go in the studio, are the sessions different? Do you improvise in the studio and work those songs out, or do you go in with, you know, a roadmap of what you want to do?
I mean, we write a lot in the studio, so I mean, this band formed in that studio, so everyone's pretty comfortable in there. So it's nice. You capture. I mean, it's a different energy than playing live, but it's nice to capture tunes and like the first conception of something.
Yeah. Well, it's great to have you here on our performance stage today, the Blue Cross Blue Shield performance stage. So if you could play a few more songs for us, that would just be great. Tedeschi Trucks Band, everybody.
Yeah!
No, we cannot ring the bell. Now I've tried, oh, to let it all fall away. Oh, so high, oh, I hear exactly what you say. Makes me wonder, are we broken? Oh, I got to wonder. Oh, you know it can't be long. Someday, when you're
Yeah.
Oh man, what a way to spend a Thursday afternoon, huh? We got Derek Trucks and Susan Tedeschi trading off leads. You got Mike killing it on vocals. You've got this horn section that's just incredible. You got a rhythm section here, and you've got Gabe on keyboards. You put it all together. That's Tedeschi Trucks Band.
That is.
Wow. See, this map came in handy. So Susan, I know you're from Boston, and I have to ask you this question. Are you excited about the Super Bowl, or are you just now a total Jacksonville Jags fan?
Do I have to comment? For my parents, I'm happy. They've won enough. I don't know.
Yeah, right?
I'm a Jaguar fan.
That's great.
I've been in Jacksonville 20 years, and
Okay.
I actually played their kickoff party back in 1995 before I ever met Derek. So
Awesome.
they invited me
before
because
their
Tom
first
Coughlin
before their
was from
first game?
Boston.
Before their first game
Before
ever?
their very first game ever.
Wow.
So I don't know.
Well,
I'm
yeah.
hoping that they can do better next year. We need a quarterback. Sorry, Bortles, but it's time to go.
And it's great
You
sports
heard it.
talk with Susan
That's
Tedeschi.
good.
If you want to get into it, we can do that another time.
Well, we're so happy you came here to play songs for us, and have a great weekend at the Chicago Theater. Everyone who goes there certainly will. It's always nice to have you in Chicago. I hope you keep doing it every January, and also come back in the summertime too. That'd be nice.
Thank you. We will. We'll come back in the summer. For sure.
And we're looking forward to the new album and everything. So, do you think maybe you could do one more song for us?
Of course.
All right.
Yes.
Everybody?
The new single.
Okay. What's the name of it?
This is called Hard Case.
All right. Hard Case right here. Blue Cross Blue Shield Performance Stage with Tedeschi
That's the
Trucks
Truck
Band.
Lord, I stand true.
everything that is good about music right here on the stage.
Yeah.
Thanks, you guys. Thanks a lot. Well, we've been saying they're at the Chicago Theater this weekend. If you want to go, I think you still can. And thank you all for being here today on the Blue Cross Blue Shield stage. And thanks for everyone watching at 93xrt.com. I'm Marty Leonard. Have a great weekend.
Thank you, XRT. Thank you, Susan.
The record comes out February 15th.
One more. One more.